All stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
My name is Aaron, and this is Viper.
All black, old Daytona 5 spokes. Alright guys, we're doing a smoky burnout right here.
What's up? This is Booster Neo. I got this car here. It's a 2008 Dodge Charger RT.
I just want to hear this thing because it has a camera. It's just going to be the loudest. Oh. What is going on, guys? David Productions 345 here. Me and Raven are out here. Another fellow Mopar owner. Say hello.
Hi, I'm Aaron. This is Viper.
They can't hear you because the truck's in the background.
Okay. My name is Aaron, and this is Viper.
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 Do you want to go over what she is and what you got done to it? The beautiful wrap?
She is my beautiful V6 Dodge Charger. Not much is done to her besides I got her wrapped. I have my wicker bill at the end. I have her tinted. Basically just outside modifications before I start doing inner.
Nice. She got RGB headlights that are not on. Do you know what color this is by chance?
It's called Radioactive Green.
Radioactive green, awesome. Very pop. It's making me want to get my purple car. My car wrapped purple. Wicker bill right here. We got the Aura Farm vehicle with the thing at the back. Guys, we're just filming today. Obviously, this is gonna be a video. Burnouts, drifting. I don't know about donuts. This is low-key good spot, but like all these people here are probably gonna be mad.
Just a little bit.
Anyways guys, hopefully you guys like the video. Tomorrow's my birthday. I don't know when this video is going up, and I'm trying to have fun, so I got my burner wheels on. Didn't even know if I went over those actually. All black, old Daytona 5 spokes, double 5 spokes, whatever. Monster truck in the front and in the back. Anyways, without further ado guys, let's go right into the video. Real quick guys, do you know what's crazy? The clips that are coming up next are probably some of the best clips, right? And guess what happened? My 360 camera decided to not work properly, and when I was trying to edit the footage, one of the files was missing and I couldn't get audio and I couldn't download the clips. So I had to screen record them on my iPad, so I'm sorry about the quality. I'm so mad guys, you have no idea. This footage was so sick. I had so much fun going out and filming this. And my 360 camera decided to crap out on me. And my other GoPro overheated. So without further ado, guys, watch these silent clips. I might throw some music over, and yeah, let's go.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see.
All right, guys, we're doing a smoky burnout right here.
Where do you want me?
I think I'm gonna go this way. I'm just gonna start right here. So just stand like right here.
Okay. That guy's yelling at you, I think.
Yes.
Across the yard.
We do not care.
What's going on, guys? David Productions. We got hella cars. We're at a car event. Hopefully you guys can see me. You want to be in the video, Tony?
Nah, screw you.
Nah?
Film 716 Buick though.
Do you want to be in the video, bro?
I'll do it. Why not?
Okay, gentlemen, turn off.
They can't hear you because there's this beautiful fox body.
716_Anthony. Car review on my boy joint.
Wait, whose car is this?
My boy Kobe right here.
What's he?
Don't listen to him.
Do you want to be featured?
Yeah, that's fine.
All right. I don't know if they can hear you because of that car, though. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, no, I can't really hear it at all. I mean, it's off. Want to just wait until it pulls off, or?
Yeah.
All right.
Go ahead.
What's up? It's Boosted Neo. I got this car here. It's a 2008 Dodge Charger RT. It's freshly built motor. I got maybe like 5,000 miles on it right now.
Okay.
Got
Not a yeah, just YouTube.
But,
do you have like a YouTube or some shit that you want to shout out?
So it's Boosted Neo.
Boosted Neo.
Right there.
Okay.
So I do most of my car content on Instagram right now.
I'm gonna have to add you.
Moving over to YouTube soon.
Okay.
Because I do a lot of stuff at the shop. My family owns a shop called Tiny's. Shout out Tiny's Everything and Everything.
Okay.
So they do everything there for me. Got a lift. I got a one-piece drive shaft in. Long two
perfect.
headers.
That's like one of those things that should be going now. Wait, so is like the motor built? So like cam, long tubes?
Yep.
Oh,
Cam,
hell
stage
yeah.
2, comp cam.
Ooh.
Long tube headers, full straight pipe 3-inch exhaust.
Okay. And what year is this?
2008.
Oh wait. Nice, dude. It's funny when people look at it, they just think it's like a sleeper.
Right.
They don't know what's going on.
Just wait until I add some boost to it.
Who made that for you? Like the custom?
So funny enough, I got this on Etsy.
Oh really?
I ordered 2 of them for like $10.
Really?
Yeah, I got them 8-10 inch.
Dude, that's so sick.
Yeah, no, like
That is
seriously.
so sick.
And funny enough, I was at Cars and Coffee. I took the hood off. I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna be different.
Bro, that's so sick.
And then I put that on there.
I had some dude made like a custom badge, but it's like a whole plaque. That looks way better.
I know, I love it. I mean, if you ever want one, I can, order one and stuff.
Dude, hell yeah. I'm gonna have to hit you up, bro. I'm David Productions 345, by the way.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Kobe, though.
Kobe?
Yeah.
I'm Dave. What else we got done to this? Like anything else,
Right,
or just
so
it
I
looks?
got inch spacers on there on every tire.
So they're sticking out a little bit more, right?
Yeah, so they're sticking out. They're also a different bolt pattern on these rims.
These are like the best wheels too. Oh yeah, look, fitment was pretty good.
Different bolt pattern. Also,
Different bolt pattern?
Yeah, these got a different bolt pattern.
How? Oh, the hub centric things. Okay.
Yep. And then I also got 305s on there.
I was about to say they'd be sticking out hella, bro.
Yeah.
Is this a custom bumper? Because I see it has like the SRT8.
Yeah, these are the custom bumper. I got this
Wait.
one goes out car ID.
Is this like the second gen bumpers kind of? Because it looked kind of like it.
Yeah, it's like, but it's also like mixed into one that has a diffuser built in.
Oh,
So
dude,
like,
I even.
the
Yo,
things
that's
already in
sick.
there. Yeah. And I also got the.
Yeah. Y'all check him out. That's sick.
But one of the best things I've done to the car though, I put a lot of work into. I'm gonna show you.
Oh hell yeah, dude.
Right here, I custom made these Brembos. I just put them on the other day.
Custom made. Oh, like you put like the whole kit together, or you like painted them?
It took about 4 days to make those.
Wait, and you like painted them like yourself too?
Painted them and everything. Yep.
Dude, they look sick. It's like a whole ass sleeper. I seen the front ones, yeah.
Painted.
Is this OEM color paint or whatever?
OEM was gray from this car, and then now it's painted like a mix of purple and blue, and that blue.
Wait, so are you boosted like a hidden turbo kit in the exhaust? Okay, I was about to say, bro. If someone sees this shit and you have like the exhaust turbos or whatever they're called, bro,
That would be insane.
That's what I really want to do. You know, I want to be different when it comes to the cars. I don't really want to throw a a blower on there.
Yeah.
If I'm gonna go supercharger, it's gonna be centrifuge like Pro
Chargers.
Or, yeah.
Okay.
Which is like a mix of that turbo bypass sound and supercharger.
I say because like if you look at it, people are just another second or first hand charger. It's like, but it's like yo.
I'm also working on another block.
Okay.
I've been real secretive about it so far, but
I'm gonna have to hit you up if I need my engine built. I need some like tips and tricks.
Fully forged.
Oh.
Like I'm also getting work done by Weller Machine.
Is that for this car though?
I might swap this engine, yeah. But it's gonna be fully forged. I mean, I want to push about 1,200 out of it.
Yo, keep this dude away from me, bro. I swear, he gets some sus shit, bro.
I mean, if you want, I can start it up and
honestly, dude, hell yeah. I just want to hear this thing because it has a cam in it. It's just gonna be loud as hell. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo. Oh wait. Dude, that cam sounds insane. Yo, watch outside, bro. Watch it. Yeah, this might be the loudest charger I heard, bro. I swear.
That's gotta be the loudest charger I've heard.
Bro, I couldn't even hear myself talk, bro.
Oh, it's crazy, especially when I'm driving.
20 minutes when our boy Mel pull up.
Mel?
Bet you hear that can.
Wait, is he the dude with the second gen?
No, it's a Cam 300 with a last Holly handle.
Bro, this shit sounds insane. I just, honestly though, bro, I appreciate you, dude.
No problem, bro.
I'm gonna hit you up, dude. This is so sick.
Yeah, I'm down to link up for all content and stuff. You know, I'm trying to expand my channel. Definitely down.
Do you film like drives or whatever, like burnouts or whatever, or not really?
A lot of burnouts, a lot of racing. I want to incorporate more of my engine to get more comfortable with the car. Okay. And also, I'm gonna get more personal with my channel too. Get
Dude,
people to know me.
I'm about to say, bro, if you want to do some collabs, I'm down. Yo, he's trying to swipe my keys, bro. Honestly though, I'll let you drive my car.
Strike your keys. I would have did it when everybody was right
stereotypes.
here.
Come on, man. We gotta set an example.
He does? I know he does.
I'm a striker, God.
BMW. Wonder who owns this. This thing's kind of sick. Bunch of trucks. Front over there. Z. More trucks. Hopefully y'all can see this. It's getting like late. It's getting dark. 400. Cool. Mustangs. Challengers. Chargers. Jeeps. Guys, I'm so glad I came here today. This is a cool Challenger though. Another Charger. Cool ass Durango. That's cool. Oh look, another Challenger back there. Excuse me. Another cool Charger. This is cool. Captive. Oh, that's sick. Wavy Kid. It's cool. This is so sick. This purple. This is cool. Little Rex.
Here we go. 63.
Purple BMW. That's a cool ass track car. Bunch of Z's, Corvettes. That's cool. Oh, that was cool. There's a bunch of cool stuff down there. 350 Corvette. Bunch of lifted trucks. Dude, everybody just keeps showing up and people. Oh, that's cool. You guys see that pink thing? It's like a Volkswagen. Like, this thing's pretty sick. Nice wheels, nice brakes. Up here, Brembos. This WRX is tough. This hood actually looks really cool. How it's lowered. Has a nice splitter, hood scoop. Infinity's clean. Yo, this shit is actually really tough. C63 or something like that, I think. But this thing is real mean. Oh, this is cool. I like these wheels on this.
I mean, if you're gonna run a Corvette with Dragster, you of course have to have a really beautiful lady in the passenger.
It's cool. That's cool. Oh, look who it is. Oh shit, that shit is so tough. Yeah, right, thank you, bro. Bro, that shit is so sick. Yo, but that's a whole ass go-kart, bro. Do you see that shit? That's crazy. That's cool. Honestly though, guys, I need a cameraman so it makes me look like I'm like
I'll be the cameraman.
Film over there. Please film that car. Wait, see that shit, Twin? Isn't that insane? Yeah. Bro, this is that 400 that they were talking about. Yo! That shit sounds so good, bro. I can feel it in my soul. It's a track car. Is that a track car? There's no track car.
Without further ado, guys, that is the end of this video. Shout out to everybody in the video, including Aaron with her Dodge Charger, Neo with his first gen Dodge Charger, and everybody else who was in the video here and there. Had a lot of fun. Burnouts were cool. I really wish the audio saved from the 360 camera. I'm telling you guys, whenever I use that camera, it always somehow glitches. I don't know what's going on with it. I'm going to try to fix that because I want to get some more footage. So stay tuned for that. That just made me want to drive and do more burnouts. So that'll be coming soon. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making it, going to the event, and also doing the burnouts. So stay tuned for more videos like this. Comment down below if your favorite part of the video. And without further ado, guys, me and Raven will see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.